Did your ticket remain waitlisted even after the train chart was prepared? No need to worry. If you have opted for Travel Protect, then you will be eligible for the discount coupon. Now let's see how you can redeem your discount coupon. Open the IRCTC portal. Log in with same credentials that you had used to book your train ticket. Start booking an alternate travel ticket in the flight, bus or train of your choice. Do note that the alternate travel must be for the same route as that of your train ticket. Select Yes, use coupon to get instant discount on the IRCTC review journey page. When you click on Proceed to Pay, you will be redirected to the IRCTC iPay payment gateway page. Select the discount coupon that you wish to use for your alternate travel booking. Pay the balance fare, if any, after applying the discount. Congratulations! You have successfully redeemed your Travel Protect discount coupon. Remember that Travel Protect is to be used only for urgent travel needs, so you will have to redeem your discount coupon within 1 week or it will expire. Wishing you a happy and confirmed journey.